An if statement is simply a decision. I'll enter 25. You can enter. So I'll enter 10. Nothing happens. Why do you think nothing happens? Because our only rule says if age is greater than or equals to 18, allow them to enter. But we never told Python what to do otherwise. This is where else comes in. Else simply means if the first rule fails, do this instead. So I love using double quotes, but you can also use single quotes. Both work. Now let's test it. 25. You can enter. And then you load. Access denied. Now our program can make decisions. But what if we have more than two possibilities? Let's imagine we're grading results. 90 above is excellent, 70 above good, anything else needs improvement. So how do we do that? We use elif. Elif means else if this condition is true. So let's do something like that. Okay, let's test it. Let's say 95. Excellent. Let's say 75. Good. Now let's say 50. Needs improvement. Now I want to show you something important. Let's break this code. Let's remove this colon and see what happens. Crash. You can see the error. It specifically even pointed us to where the issue is. Syntax error is where the issue was. So Python has rules. And if we break the rules, Python complains. That's normal. Every programmer breaks code and every programmer debugs. That's part of programming. So we're just gonna put that back. Save it. Let's talk about something called comparison operators, because these are what make decisions possible. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, then equal to, and not equal to. Think of them as questions. Is age greater than 18? True or false? Is score equal to 100? True or false? Every if statement is asking a question, and Python answers with true or false. So let's build something useful. Let's build a mini log system. Create a variable. Now we're building something that feels real. So let's say, and this is my real password, Python123. And I type Python 001. Okay, the spelling error. Like I said, Python has rules, so we have to follow out the rules. This is a spelling error. The variable was password, so this has to be password. So let's save it and run it again. Okay, let's say Python 001 is what I put as password. Wrong password. Okay. Let's say I put candy. wrong password. So now let's try our real password, which is Python123. Login successful. So before we end today's lesson, remember these three ideas. Number one, an if statement is simply a decision. Number two, else handles every other possibility. And number three, elif allows multiple decisions. And most importantly, every decision in programming still follows our mental model: input, rules, and output. Nothing magical, just rules.